The Toyota Hilux is one of the most popular and best-selling pickup trucks in Thailand, known for its exceptional reliability, durability, and versatility. It holds a strong reputation not only in Thailand but also across many parts of the world where tough terrain and demanding driving conditions are common. In Thailand, it has become a household name and a trusted vehicle for both personal and commercial use. From rural farmers to urban families and even off-road enthusiasts, the Hilux has won the hearts of a wide range of users. One of the key reasons for its success in Thailand is its ability to handle all kinds of roads, whether they are paved highways, muddy rural paths, or steep mountain routes. The build quality of the Toyota Hilux is solid, and its chassis is designed to withstand heavy loads and harsh driving environments. Thai users particularly appreciate the Hilux for its performance in agricultural areas, where other vehicles might struggle. Its suspension system and high ground clearance allow it to move smoothly even when fully loaded, making it a preferred choice for businesses and logistics operations. Under the hood, the Toyota Hilux comes with powerful diesel engines that offer a great balance of power and fuel efficiency. The newer models are equipped with advanced technology, improved safety features, and comfortable interiors that make long drives more pleasant. Features such as touchscreen infotainment systems, rear-view cameras, and smart driving modes are now standard in many variants, catering to the evolving needs of modern drivers. Despite these upgrades, the Hilux retains its rugged nature, which is why it is trusted in the construction, farming, and military sectors. Another reason for its dominance in the Thai market is Toyota's extensive service network and availability of spare parts. Maintenance is easy and affordable, and local mechanics are familiar with the model, making repairs and servicing more convenient for owners. Toyota's brand reputation for long-lasting vehicles further adds to the Hilux's appeal, especially among those looking for a long-term investment. In recent years, the Hilux has also gained popularity among younger buyers and adventure lovers due to its bold design and off-road capabilities. The sporty versions with customized accessories and lift kits are becoming a trend among Thai youth. Whether it's for work or play, the Toyota Hilux delivers consistent performance, which is why it continues to lead the pickup segment in Thailand year after year.